这种故事在外地出差。
It portrays a compact scene concerning Zelda in an imaginative way. In this visual representation, the highlighted feature is dubbed as a pivotal model within the Zelda universe. Here there is a model of 0 moments. Take a look, Linker. He embodies a valiant ambassador wielding a sword, fixing his gaze upon a historically significant creation coined as the so-called. And then what? There is a very interesting device in ancient times, that is, his laser will light up. There's a switch here. When I turn it on, upon activation, the ancient so-called front lamp becomes visible. It's bright and bright. Okay, turn off the lights. On. It depicts a laser model designed to strike at Link with precision accuracy. The size of the scene is a rectangular line with a length of 30 miles and an average of 25 centimeters. This intricately envisioned concept details Link on a courageous quest through Hylalu's expanse, encountering an awakened mystical so-called entity, which unleashes its powerful laser beam upon Link. Linker's destiny then hinges on whether he manages to counteract and prevail, or succumbs to unexpected twists. What will unfold within this narrative of adventure and challenge? A story for my friends to think about by themselves. Next, I will enter the production.